Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can check if it's possible to prepare full financial statements for a company using Xero, so let's get started. Yes, it is definitely possible to generate the main financial statements of a company using Xero accounting software. Xero provides built-in reports that are essential for financial reporting. Xero is designed to handle almost everything you need for preparing financial statements, and the entire process is both simple and efficient. Xero automatically records your business transactions, organizes income and expenses, tracks invoices, payroll, bank reconciliations, assets and liabilities, and all of this data flows directly into your financial reporting dashboard. Once everything is updated, you can generate key financial statements like the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow report, general ledger, and trial balance with just a few clicks. You simply go to the accounting menu, open the reports section, and choose the financial statement you want. Xero also allows customization, so you can adjust formats, add formulas, compare periods, and export your reports in PDF or Excel for accountants, audits, or tax filings. However, if you need fully formatted year-end financial statements, such as IFRS or GAAP compliant statements with notes and disclosures, you can integrate Xero with third-party apps like Spotlight Reporting, Fathom, or Sift, which automatically convert your Xero data into complete, professional financial statements. So yes, preparing financial statements is absolutely possible in Xero, and with the right setup, you can create clean, accurate, and professional reports for any company. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.